If you've been struggling with high blood sugar, low energy, or constant cravings, stay right here, because today you're about to discover 10 powerful foods scientifically proven to lower blood sugar, improve insulin sensitivity, reduce inflammation, and support long-term metabolic health. These foods are simple, accessible, and incredibly effective once you understand how they work inside your body. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which foods can help stabilize your glucose levels and keep your energy steady all day long. Let's jump straight into the first blood sugar balancing superfood. Number 1. Leafy greens. Leafy greens are some of the most effective foods for stabilizing blood sugar because they are extremely low in carbohydrates, yet rich in essential nutrients. These include magnesium, potassium, vitamin K, folate, and antioxidants, all of which play a crucial role in blood sugar regulation. What makes leafy greens truly powerful is their high fiber content, especially soluble fiber. This fiber slows the absorption of glucose into the bloodstream, helping prevent sudden spikes after meals. The antioxidants in leafy greens reduce inflammation, improve insulin sensitivity, and support healthy blood vessel function. By incorporating leafy greens into salads, smoothies, soups, and stir-fries, you give your body the tools it needs to maintain stable glucose levels and steady energy throughout the day. They're one of the simplest but most effective choices for long-term metabolic health. Number 2. Avocados. Avocados are a superfood for blood sugar control thanks to their abundant monounsaturated fats and fiber. These two elements work together to slow digestion, promote fullness, and reduce the glycemic impact of any meal you eat. Because avocados digest slowly, they help keep blood sugar steady for hours. They also provide magnesium, a mineral that plays a vital role in insulin function and glucose control. Studies have shown that people who consume avocados regularly tend to have improved insulin sensitivity and better overall metabolic health. Avocados are incredibly versatile. Add them to salads, toast, wraps, eggs, or enjoy them on their own with a sprinkle of salt and lemon. This creamy fruit is one of the most delicious ways to help your body maintain a balanced blood sugar level. Before we move to the next food, make sure to like the video. It really helps the channel grow and lets us bring you more health content. Number 3. Berries. Berries are one of the best fruits for maintaining stable blood sugar because they are low in carbohydrates, yet loaded with fiber and antioxidants. The key compound in berries is anthocyanins, natural pigments that give berries their rich color and have been shown to boost insulin sensitivity. Unlike many other fruits, berries don't cause sharp glucose spikes due to their high fiber-to-sugar ratio. This means the natural sugars are released slowly, providing energy without overloading the bloodstream with glucose. Berries also reduce inflammation, support gut health, and improve digestion, all important for managing blood sugar. Whether eaten fresh, frozen, or blended into smoothies, berries satisfy sweet cravings while protecting your metabolic health. Number 4. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a nutrient-packed carbohydrate source that digest much more slowly than regular white potatoes. Their high soluble fiber content slows glucose absorption, providing steady energy that lasts for hours rather than causing sudden spikes. Sweet potatoes are rich in beta-carotene, antioxidants, and essential minerals like manganese and potassium. These nutrients help reduce inflammation, support pancreatic function, and improve insulin sensitivity. By baking, roasting, or steaming sweet potatoes, you create a satisfying and blood sugar-friendly meal that supports both energy and overall health. They're an excellent choice for anyone trying to balance their glucose levels naturally. Number 5. Broccoli. Broccoli is one of the most powerful vegetables for blood sugar control because it contains sulforaphane, a compound that helps activate detoxifying enzymes and protect cells from oxidative stress. This supports better insulin function and improves how the body uses glucose. Broccoli sprouts contain far higher concentrations of sulforaphane, making them an even more potent choice. Research shows that broccoli sprouts can reduce fasting blood sugar and improve insulin resistance, two critical markers for metabolic health. The fiber in broccoli also slows carbohydrate absorption and supports healthy digestion. Adding broccoli or sprouts to your meals is a simple, delicious, and reliable way to help your body maintain stable glucose levels. Number 6. Nuts. Nuts are one of the best natural snacks for managing blood sugar because they combine protein, healthy fats, and fiber, a trio that helps slow digestion and prevent glucose spikes. Almonds improve insulin sensitivity and reduce post-meal glucose responses. Walnuts provide anti-inflammatory omega-3 fats that support heart and metabolic health. Pistachios help lower LDL cholesterol and stabilize blood sugar over time. Just a small handful of nuts can help control cravings cravings, promote fullness, and provide steady, long-lasting energy. They're a perfect blood sugar-friendly snack, especially between meals or when you need something satisfying on the go. Number 7. Eggs. Eggs are a nutrient-dense, low-carbohydrate food that helps stabilize blood sugar by providing high-quality protein and healthy fats. Eating eggs for breakfast has been shown to reduce blood sugar fluctuations throughout the day because they slow digestion and release energy gradually. Eggs also contain choline for liver health, lutein and zeaxanthin for eye health, and essential amino acids that support muscle and metabolic function. Since eggs are filling and satisfying, they help reduce cravings and prevent overeating, two major contributors to glucose imbalance. Enjoy them boiled, scrambled, poached, or added to salads for a simple and effective blood sugar-friendly meal. Number 8. Quinoa. Quinoa is one of the best carbohydrate options for people looking to maintain stable blood sugar. It has a low glycemic index thanks to its high fiber and protein content, which slows digestion and results in steady energy levels. Unlike most grains, quinoa is a complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids. This makes it especially valuable for supporting metabolism, muscle repair, and glucose control. Its magnesium content also plays an important role in insulin sensitivity. Use quinoa as a base for bowls, salads, or as a substitute for rice to improve blood sugar regulation and enhance nutritional quality in your meals. Number 9. Beans and lentils. Beans and lentils are rich in soluble fiber and plant-based protein, making them excellent for controlling blood sugar. Their slow digestion helps regulate glucose absorption and keeps you full for long periods. Multiple studies show that consuming legumes regularly can lower HbA1c levels, a key marker of long-term blood sugar control. Beans and lentils also nourish beneficial gut bacteria, which play an important role in reducing inflammation and improving insulin sensitivity. Whether added to soups, stews, salads, or served as a side dish, beans and lentils are affordable, versatile, and extremely effective for blood sugar management. Number 10. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are one of the most powerful foods for stabilizing blood sugar thanks to their fiber-rich, gel-forming properties. When soaked or mixed with liquid, chia seeds absorb many times their weight in water and form a gel that slows digestion dramatically. This slows the release of glucose into the bloodstream and prevents sharp spikes. Just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds contain a remarkable amount of soluble fiber that helps control appetite, support gut health, and improve overall glycemic response. They also contain omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation, an important factor in insulin resistance. Chia seeds are incredibly easy to add to your routine. Sprinkle them on yogurt, blend them into smoothies, mix them into oatmeal, or create chia pudding for a filling, blood sugar-friendly meal or snack. When eaten regularly, chia seeds support digestion, enhance energy, and help maintain stable blood sugar throughout the day. And there you have it, my friend. The top 10 foods proven to lower blood sugar naturally and support long-term metabolic health. These foods are simple, affordable, and incredibly effective when included in your daily meals. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below which food you're planning to add to your diet first. Your support helps the channel grow. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next video.